Today we're going to talk a little bit about access control and why you might want to consider moving to a hosted cloud-based access control system. For us, we really like Galaxy control systems. It provides a very powerful combination of very flexible software along with very easy to use user interface. So the first reason you want to consider cloud-based access control is that there's no additional software to install. Everything is web-based, so you can use a browser from anywhere to manage an entire enterprise. You can create rules, access control processes, and apply those across multiple sites with just a couple of clicks. So one of the other advantages of going with cloud access is that you avoid cost. Less hardware equals less cost. And with cloud access, you don't have to have a dedicated server or a server at all. So not only less cost, but less maintenance and also less risk. There's no server to go down, so your system is always up. So speaking of not having to have a server, when you have less hardware, you have less cost like we talked about, but you also have less maintenance. The entire overall cost of ownership comes way down. And at the end of the day, you'll wind up with less scrap to put on the wall like we did. Your access control system needs to work, but if it's too complicated to manage, it can create major problems for your business. So spend a little time with us, give us a call, we'll come out and do a demo for you and show you how much time this can save you, so you can spend your time doing your job and not managing locks. Hoosier Security, 317-644-0570. Make sure you ask us about Galaxy Cloud Access Control.